Inside a factory in America, something is happening every 45 seconds that most people don't even believe is possible. A brand new electric car is being fully built, from raw metal to a finished machine, faster than most people finish a meal. This is not science fiction. This is Gigafactory, a place so massive it doesn't feel like a factory. It feels like a city built for machines. Miles of production lines stretch across the building. Robots move with perfect precision, non-stop, 24 hours a day. No tired workers, no breaks, no slowdown, just pure industrial speed. Everything begins with raw materials arriving at the facility: steel, aluminum, lithium, copper. Each material is tracked, measured, and delivered into production like clockwork. Then the transformation begins. Huge hydraulic machines slam down with extreme force. Metal sheets are pressed into perfect car parts in seconds. One wrong alignment and the entire piece is wasted. But here's what makes it shocking. This happens thousands of times a day without stopping. Next comes the assembly stage. Hundreds of robotic arms move together like a synchronized army, welding, joining, and shaping the car body with unbelievable speed. What used to take hundreds of workers is now done by machines working in silence. Human workers are still present, but mostly to monitor systems, not build cars. And that changes everything. Now the car body moves into the paint section. This is one of the most controlled environments in the entire factory. Not even a single dust particle is allowed. The paint is applied in multiple layers with extreme precision. Each layer is checked, polished, and perfected. Because in this factory, perfection is not optional, it is mandatory. Then comes the most sensitive part of all, the battery installation. This is the heart of every electric car. Heavy lithium battery packs are installed with robotic accuracy. One mistake here could affect performance, safety, everything. And this is where things get serious, because these batteries define how far the car can travel, how fast it can charge, and how powerful it really is. After that, the car starts becoming intelligent. Software systems are installed, sensors are calibrated, autonomous driving features are activated. At this stage, the car is no longer just a machine. It becomes a smart system on wheels. Finally, every vehicle goes through intense testing. Acceleration tests, braking tests, safety checks. Every detail is pushed to its limit. Only the perfect cars are allowed to leave the factory. Think about this for a second. A facility where a new car is completed every 45 seconds, where robots handle most of the work, and where the future of transportation is being produced at massive scale. And every time you see an electric car on the road in America, it likely started its journey in a place like this. Inside Gigafactory, the future isn't coming. It's already being built, one car at a time.